Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the new WhatsApp update in 2025. So the first thing you have to do is to click on any chat of your choice. So the next thing is to click on the video call option found at the top corner of your chat. Click on call. So right here on my video call, this is what I have to do. If I want to add filter, effect and background, I just have to click on the third icon, the pencil icon. Then you're going to see the effect, the filter and the background. Click on the filter if you want to add filter. So I'll be clicking on effect first. So on my effects, this is the options there. I just have to select the particular effects I want and allow it to load to in order to have effect on my face. So this is how it's going to look like. If it has effect on your face, it's going to be like this. So you can see that the particular one I choose has already have effect on my face. So if I want to add filter, I just have to click on filter and select the particular filter that I want for the video call. The next thing is the background. So background automatically changes the background that you are. So just click on it and select the particular background that you want to add to that your camera experience of video call. So right here, this is how to add effects, filter and the background. So the next thing you can do here is, if you want to remove this effects, filter and background, you just have to click on this icon found below, or you click at this top icon. So automatically when you tap on those icons, you can easily remove the filter, the effect and the background from your video call or camera experience. The next feature that is new is the touch up feature, which is found at the top right corner, the first icon there. If you click on it, it's going to turn on. If you click on it again, it's going to be turned off. This feature, if been allowed to be turned on, will still be applied to your future videos or video call. You can only avoid it if it's been turned off. So turn it off if you don't want to apply it in your next video. The second icon there is the turn low light mode. This low light mode enhances your brightening when you may have limited lighting, where you're making your video call or your camera experience. So if you don't want it to be turned on, you can just click on it and automatically it's going to be turned off. So guys, these are the new updates on WhatsApp. I hope this video was able to guide you on how to make use of these updates. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this.